Hello friends, today I am reading Medicine Ambragracia from the book Soul of Remedy written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. Ambragracia. The Ambragracia is an animal remedy. It belongs to the psychotic miasm. Like other animal remedy, it has a quality of divided will. It has two wills and has a kind of contempt for self. It also has a trait such as animation, loquacity, sexuality, playfulness, love of animal, and etc. It is psychotic remedy, and Ambragracia woman feels that something is wrong with her that needs to cover up. There is an intensely dirty feeling about herself. The expression is, I feel like a shit, aptly describe the main feeling of Ambra. The feeling is that something in her is intensely disgusting and that this part should never be exposed or she will be completely forsaken. If it will be exposed and she will completely forsaken. Amra feels tremendous sense of embarrassment. Other remedy like silicia, carbovage, plumbum, gelsemium, etc. also have something of this feeling, but in Amra feels it is intensely and it acutely conscious of the slightest thing she does. She is very cautious about her routine or about his simple small habit. This embarrassment is more when it comes to personal habits like passing a stool and urine, something doing in presence of others, like whatever it is. But normally, routine of her habits. The symptom of amra, they cannot pass stool in presence of others. Describe this feeling exactly as if to say that this disgusting part in me should never be revealed to others, or they will consider me disgusting if it reveals. This symptoms means the patient cannot even have somebody in the next room when he is passing the stool. It means that the sound that he makes in the toilet embarrasses him so much that he cannot bear the thought of somebody standing even in the next room. He would like to clear the whole house before he passes to see that there is nobody around her or him. This is the nature of degree of embarrassment in Embry. Indeed, he cannot even bear the thought of going to somebody's else house because he or she afraid to urge for stool. Afraid, if or she think that it will be urging for the stool, what will happen? Everybody see I'm going to the toilet and noises coming from the toilet. So they are very big questions. Afraid he may get an urge for stool. When he gets the urge for stool, gets anxious. Anxiety with ineffectual urging for the stool. This is the form of anticipatory anxiety in ambragracia. This feeling of embarrassment creates tremendous shyness in company and in the presence of strangers. Because of its symptoms, bashful and stranger in presence of, it comes quite close to Baraitaka. But Amra has this very acute feeling of embarrassment, while in Baraitaka it doesn't. And Baraitaka has a tremendous irresolutions, which represent the feeling of lack of capability, which is not seen in Amra. A young girl with the Amra feeling in this embarrassment can talk in fleeting and flighty manners. They can also become very mischievous and play prank, and that is very much in keeping with this theme of shame and shamelessness. Embarrassment about one's own body is one of the main theme. Also, there is a feeling of embarrassment after doing something she consider disgusting or shameful. Among other symptoms of embarrassment, I have means Dr. Sankar noticed fear of night, fear as if diabolical faces crowded upon her and swallow her. I have also noted in the Embra a love for whales. whales, fish whales. And now I'm reading the rubrics, common rubrics. Anxiety company van in. Anxiety is tool before, ineffectual desire for or from. Company aversion to. Presence of others people aggravates symptoms. Desire for solitude. Company aversion to. Presence of people intolerable to her during stool. Delusion faces sees. Diabolical around and upon him. Delusion faces sees. Hideous. Fear strangers off. Timidity. Bashful. Timidity company in. And now I'm reading the rubrics of Fatak. Modern society girls. Strangers, presence of aggravates. Embarrassment aggravates. This is all about embragracia. You can hear many times and understand the medicine. It is very simple, but we will observe many times in our practice that embragracia patients they are very anxious during doing normal chores in presence of others. This is all about embragracia. Thank you.